Hello, my name is Wayne Perry, the TV Carpenter, and thank you for watching the Daily DIYs. Today is a really cool one. If you've got a leaky tap, is it dripping? Is it driving you insane? And you think, I can't do this, I just need to get a plumber. There's a really easy fix. And we created a video with the DIY Doers. It's an express video. It's only a minute long. And my business partner, Steph, who is a trained plumber, created this video for you. All you need is some washers and a wrench. And don't forget to turn off or know where to turn off and isolate the water to your appliance that you're going to be working on. So check out this DIY Doers express video on how to fix a leaky tap. It really is simple, isn't it, when you know how? She makes it look so easy because it is really easy. All it is a rubber washer that goes into your tap to fix. Hope that was helpful. If you need any more information or you want to ask me a question, if you have something you want me to talk about or want me to help you with, go to my website, which is thetvcarpenter.com, and you can contact me on there, or you can link through to the DIY Doers Facebook group, or you can even listen to my podcast, the TV Carpenter Podcast. Thank you for watching the Daily DIYs with me, Wayne Perry, the TV Carpenter.